Hello everyone, in this video we will see the extended functionality of the module Asset POS Access Right HR. We have extended functionality by giving the multiple features in this module. We will explore all of them one by one. First, we will explore the POS disable logo. We will enable this for a Beagle employee. Now, whenever any another partner or employee log in with the at that time he or she can see the logo, but when the restricted employee is logging, at that time the logo won't be shown. Another feature is hide categories. So for illegal, we are restricting this feature. Now, whenever with any another employee, you can see in the product screen the category selection option is shown, but for Abigail, the category selection will be not shown, as you can see. Another feature is debug window. So first we will enable this restriction and then we go to setting and activate the developer mode. After that, we will log in POS. As you can see, for Mitchell, we can show the debugger widget, but for Abigail, the widget is hidden. Another feature is hiding a create and edit customer button for the Abigail employee. So when we log in with Mitchell, at that time, here we can see the create button and edit button for the customer. But when we set the cashier to the Abigail, at that time we cannot create the new partner or edit the existing partner. So another feature is info button. We are restricting the product information for the Abigail employee. So now when the Mitchell admin login and long press on the any product, you can see the product information and even you can see it from the action button of info. But when we have the cashier Abigail, at that time the product information, even after pressing the long button, it won't be shown. And in the action button, the product information button will be hidden. Then we have the hide transfer button for the Abigail employee. As we all know, in the restaurant, the standard Odoo gives the functionality to transfer the order to the another table or another course. But for the Abigail partner, the action button will be hidden to transfer the order to another table. Then we have another functionality is ship later button. To use that, first we will enable the ship letter functionality from the setting, and then when we are logging with the mutual admin, at that time we can see the ship letter button. But for Abigail, we have hide that button. Same as the tip button, payment tip button. For Abigail employee, we are restricting the tip functionality. So in that, when we open the POS with the mutual employee, at that time we can see the tip button. But for the Abigail employee, the tip button is also hidden. The another functionality is restricted payment method. We can restrict a particular payment methods for the particular employee. So for example, Abigail employee, we are restricting the card and customer account payment method. So now when we open the POS and go to payment screen, at that time as you can see we have for mutual admin we have multiple payment options, but for Abigail the card and customer account is video. Thank you.